Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So this one's done and delivered. Like everybody knows, we do a bunch of the new 2024 Harley Street Glides and Road Glides. This one's a little bit different because he didn't want woofers in the bags. So ordered the factory lids, ended up going with Hertz 690 Neos in the lids, ended up going with Cicada Cmx in the fairing, Sound Digital evox 800.4 like we normally do, no cutting, no modification. Arc Audio PSM Pro with the NVS Audio plug-and-play T-harness. But what was a little different about this one is he ordered the 3D printed lowers with the fog light kit built in, and we went with the new Cicada Cmx carbon fiber weatherproof mid-bass drivers. They look and sound amazing, 100% weatherproof, you don't have to worry about it. And then we built a custom plug-and-play harness that plugs into the factory fog light harness, so we were able to turn the fog lights on and off through the factory touchscreen without adding any switches to this brand new bike. While the client was here, he upgraded to a lithium battery, so the bike cranks up nice and fast now. It doesn't have any of those non-start issues from low voltage, and he could play the bike for over an hour without getting the ignition warning and turning down the volume, because since we ran a lithium battery, he has 10 times the run power of the factory battery. So it came out really nice, plug and play, no voiding of the factory warranty, no cutting of the radio bracket in the front, no cutting of the speaker pods. Everything went together beautifully. It's a brand new bike, and I love these bikes in white. It just does something to me. So check out the build, got everything together. He loved the way it sounded. Came to pick up the bike with his wife today. The bike's out of Virginia. So he should be getting back home right about now. And check out the build.
This girl is a distant danger. The way she moves on the dance floor. Bonita, TikTok, muévelo slow. Muévelo slow. Muévelo slow.
Gotta know your body good. Get the attitude and your sense of salute. Gotta know your body good. Know your maintain, if you never know your good. Gotta know your body good. You have the money weak now, just like you should. Gotta know your body good. But this girl a road in the neighborhood. On a little girl, let me hold you tight. You know see the vibes and the mood right. Don't let me go baby all time. Got me locked down for the whole night. 6:30 me girl broke it up. Love it when you bumper. Can't nobody do it like Baton Rouge.
What you really mean? I've been with black and white and everything that's in between. You the black messiah, wifing up a mixed queen, and hit vanilla cream to help out with your self-esteem. On some Bobby shit, I wanna know what Whitney needs. All that puppy love was over in y'all late teens. Why you never hold your son and tell him say cheese? We could've left the kids out of this, don't blame me. You a dog and you know it, you just play sweet. Your baby mama cash was always screaming, save me. You did it dirty all your life, you tryna make peace. I heard that one of them little kids might be day free.